Hoover-Foster is a small, primarily residential area located just north of downtown Oakland. Homes in this neighborhood are typically older two-story single-family homes. Homes prices tend to fall between $400,000 to $1,300,000. And some homes date back to the early 1900s, with some new construction as recent as 2023. Hoover Elementary School received a C- rating from Niche. It has about 270 students with a student-teacher ratio of 22:1. Westlake Middle School received a C- rating from Niche and has about 270 students with a student-teacher ratio of 12:1. Oakland Technical High School received an A rating from Niche and has about 1,880 students with a student-teacher ratio of 19:1. Get some fresh air in Lafayette Square, where you'll find bright and cheerful playground equipment and murals from local artists. Locals pick up their groceries from Sprouts Farmers Market. Or if you'd rather grab dinner out, Jolly's is sure to get your mouth watering with local ingredients baked fresh daily. Hoover-Foster residents can enjoy easy access to the MacArthur BART station and nearby highways to head south through the heart of downtown Oakland.